to chill.
Hey guys, it's Nightshade Moon here again. So I'm sitting here and deciding to do a little witchy crafting today, and I'm making our son a dream pillow to help him be protected at night and not have nightmares and, sleep peaceful and everything like that. So I have the little sachet bag that I actually tie these together so it doesn't open, and we can put it inside the pillow when I stuff it and then sew it closed. But I'm using this, it's inside out right now because I'm still sewing it, but I'm using this little Snoopy and Woodstock fall leaf fabric. And I have written down over here what I want to put in it, so this video is going to be like really uber quick. So for in the sachet bag, I have some herbs and some crystals. So the crystals are actually these little ones, some of the little ones from the set that my mom had picked up for me. The crystals I decided to use are black onyx because, to me, I feel that black onyx transforms negative energy, and I'm looking over here because I wrote everything down so I don't forget. So black onyx transforms negative energy, and I feel that it helps prevent the draining of your own personal energy, which is a good thing, energy protection, stuff like that. So also some rose quartz for love because, we love our little man, and then amethyst because that's his birthstone. And then clear quartz because it removes negativity and eliminates energy blockages. And then for the herbs, I have clove for protection and love. And then lavender, obviously, for love, protection, sleep, and peace, tranquility, stuff like that. And then nutmeg, which is relief from nightmares, is what I put in this bag. And I put in the crystals myself. They're all like way in there with the cloves and the nutmeg, which is like powdery, so it kind of comes out a little bit, but not a huge deal. But all the crystals and everything are in the bag, and then Gage helped me to put the herbs in. He helped me pick up all the cloves and put them in, and then I just put in the rest, just to make it a little bit more full, because it's a pain to just, toddlers want to pick up each individual, little thing, because if I were to hold this jar and pour it in, his, I guess want to call it his dexterity, I don't know, isn't quite there yet because he's so young to be able to do that, not spill it everywhere. But so I just figured I'd come on and do like a little chit chat while I sew. So I don't know if you can see, this video might be a little blurry, so I do apologize, but I don't know if you can see my stitches. I want to say this is called a whip stitch, but don't quote me on that because I only know like a tiny little bit about sewing. Anything by hand, I have no idea how to use a sewing machine. Yeah, crazy. I never learned. I would love to learn. But yeah, so this is just like the little stitch that I use to sew by hand. But then I also go in, like if you look at this side, I also go in, I did my whip stitches up top, and then I have whatever this through in one side and out the other, like horizontal stitch I do as well to help give it more strength, so that hopefully it won't unravel. Of course I can fix it, but kids like to beat up things, so if you guys want to just watch me sew with me, make it a dream pillow. I have my little sewing kit for dream pillows. Actually, it's in a metal box, and it's propping up the camera. Well, it's my phone, but so witch has got to do what a witch has got to do. But usually when I'm making these, I will get everything together and sew it up, and I won't sew it fully closed, so that way I can stuff it with the filling and put in the sachet bag. And then what I'll do is I will run everything through sage smoke, blow sage smoke on it, put it on my altar, to enchant it, bless it, empower it, stuff like that. And then that way, it's ready, and then once I do all that, then I'll sew it closed. I don't know, I can't talk today. I guess it's because I've been up early. I'm actually trying my damnedest to not be the night owl that I am, and not stay up all hours of the night watching YouTube or watching TV or Netflix or whatever. So my boyfriend's actually been waking me up at 5:30 with him, like half an hour or so before he has to leave for work. so we could, like, have some quiet time, spend a little bit of time together in the morning, and that way I'm up before Gage gets up, because sometimes, like, if I let myself stay up late and just, like, fall asleep at 2, 3 in the morning, Gage will wake me up, around 7 o'clock, and it sucks. He just ran in and wanted to see what I was doing and then ran back out. But, so yeah, I'm here sewing this. This actual piece of fabric is folded, so I don't have to sew all 4 sides. I'll just be sewing 3 sides. But you can see, like, the side's open, and then I'm sewing this side currently. Yes, Bubby. I love you. You're so sweet. You got my bell? Are you still playing with Mommy's bell?
No.
I have, like, a silver bell that I keep on my altar, and Gage loves to play with it and carry it around, so I let him check it out. It's metal. It's not gonna hurt it. He can't hurt it. So I let him check it out. So anyway, guys, yeah, this is a quick little video, just a quick little, making dream pillow. I'm gonna make one for our bed as well, for my boyfriend and I. Especially with me being the insomniac night owl that I am, it will help me to sleep better. Put the crystal back, please. I don't want you touching all those. Put that back, please. You can play with the bell, and that's it. I know you're not going to hurt it, but I don't want you messing with it. Please put it back. He likes to check out everything I got going on my altar, especially my crystals and stones and stuff. So, toddler life, mom life, whatever you want to say. But anyway, I just thought I would talk, about making dream pillows, and, they definitely don't have to be for, protection during sleep or anything like that. You can make them and carry a small one in your purse to help draw money. You could make them to draw love to you into your life. You can make them for a million different things. Alright, please don't break that. You can make them for, sorry, my eyeball itches. You can make them, wow, my hair's like ridiculous. Anyway, you can make them for whatever purpose that you want. So, just throwing it out there, it's whatever you feel that you need to do. Oh, that's the worry stone. You like that? You rub it.
Rub it?
Mm-hmm. Rub it, and then you won't have any more worries. You like it?
Yeah.
It's cool, huh? So anyway, guys.
Is it magic?
It is.
It is magic?
It is magic.
I'm not doing anything.
Oh, it is. You just can't see it. Just because you can't see it doesn't mean that it's not real.
Oh, real.
Right?
It's not real. I have keys here.
What do they say in the Polar Express? That some of the most realist things in the world are the things we can't see. I love that.
Magic. Is this magic?
Yes, baby. That's for love. That's rose quartz.
Rose quartz?
Mm-hmm. Alright, you guys. So anyway,
Why rose quartz?
little dream pillow making, magic making, a little ramble going on. Just figured I'd upload another video for you guys today.
Is this magic too?
And,
Mommy, is this
comment,
magic?
like, share,
Mommy, is this
subscribe. Yes, baby. That is black tourmaline. Comment, like, share, subscribe. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to continue making this, and I will probably post pictures on my Facebook and my Instagram when this is all completed. Anyway, much love to you guys, many blessings, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye.